Jamie, this is Unit 5B, Barriers and Strategies, and I'm going to give you some feedback on your work in order to improve it. You presented your work well because you've got two columns, one for barriers, one for strategies. Clearly you can see that you have done quite a bit of detail on your barriers, but we haven't got much going on over here for strategies. Okay, so starting with the barriers, we can see that you've highlighted commitment as one, motivation as another, lack of interest, these first three are all good, emotional as another one, personal injury as another one. You've only highlighted 5 so far, and there are 8. You do kind of mention a few points here, but we're not really expanding on it. We do need to mention cost, we need to mention time, and I believe you need to mention access to facilities. What you must do for all of your work is to make sure that you say exactly how they stop people from exercising. How does each one of these barriers, these 8 barriers, stop people from exercising? Make sure that you give good examples for each point. Moving on, we're going to look at strategies on this side of the page. Now, clearly this is incomplete because you have not finished writing up your notes. Make sure you review the video that you've just watched for guidance, and you should cover the following points: implementing enjoyable activities, support and reinforcement, setting smarter goals, rewards for achieving goals, and knowing the benefits of exercise. They are the 5 points that you must cover. Again, you need to explain and describe how each would actually help somebody overcome a barrier to exercise. And make sure you do try and give examples for each one. Finally, we look at your third slide where you detail your improvements. However, there's nothing there. I probably wouldn't call it my improvements, because what we actually need to do is identify a couple of specific things. You need to identify 4 barriers that will stop you from exercising. What are they? Then, when you come up with your barriers, you need to identify 4 strategies that you could use in order to overcome. So they will link back and forth. Again, where possible, give examples and give as much information as you possibly can. When you're done with this work, save a copy and email me with a copy, please.